Hello everyone, welcome to CloudAffaire. In today's video, we are going to discuss about different EC2 instance type available under AWS service offering. Instance is the key component of EC2 service. AWS provides different types of instance based on resources, cost, availability, and tenure. In most of the cases, instance type can be changed post-instance deployment. Based on CPU, memory and network optimization. General purpose instances. T2 instances provide baseline level CPU performance with the ability to a higher level when required. When you create a T2 instance, CPU credits are earned on per hour basis, and this CPU credit can be redeemed for burst performance within 24 hours time frame. The T2 instance can be further divided into two segments: T2 Standard and T2 Unlimited. T2 Standard instances can only operate in burst level performance if you have sufficient credit balance. On the other hand, for T2 Unlimited can provide burst level performance even without sufficient CPU credit, provided the average CPU utilization for 24 hours is below the baseline. If average CPU utilization is above baseline, then additional charges will apply. M-Series instances give you an ideal cloud infrastructure, offering a balance of compute, memory, and networking resources for a broad range of applications that are deployed in the cloud. Unlike T2, there is no limit on performance. An instance can utilize all the resources allocated. There are different types of M-Series instance based on the generation, like M4, M5, and M5D, with different amount of resources allocated to them. Compute-optimized instances. Compute-optimized instances are ideal for compute-bound applications that benefit from high-performance processors. Compute-optimized instances also vary based on the generation, like C4, C5, and C5D. Memory-optimized instances. Memory-optimized instances are designed to deliver fast performance for workloads that process large datasets in memory. Memory-optimized instances also vary based on the generation, like R4, R5, and R5D. Storage-optimized instances. Storage-optimized instances are designed for workloads that require high, sequential read and write access to very large datasets on local storage. They are optimized to deliver tens of thousands of low latencies, random I/O operations per second to applications. Storage-optimized instances also vary based on the configuration, like D2, H1, and L3. Accelerated computing instances. If you require high processing capability, you'll benefit from using accelerated computing instances. Accelerated computing instances provide access to hardware-based compute accelerators such as graphics processing units or field programmable gate arrays. Accelerated computing instances enable more parallelism for higher throughput on compute-intensive workloads. Accelerated computing instances also vary based on the configuration, like P2, P3, G3, and F1. Based on the purchasing option, Amazon EC2 provides the following purchasing options to enable you to optimize your costs based on your needs. On-demand instances. Pay by the hour for the instances that you launch. This is the default type for EC2 service. Reserved instances. Purchase, at a significant discount, instances that are always available, for a term from 1 to 3 years. Long-term commitment is required with varied payment options like no upfront, partial upfront, and full upfront. Reserved instance has two classes, namely convertible and standard. Scheduled instances. Purchase instances that are always available on the specified recurring schedule, for a 1-year term. Spot instances. Request unused EC2 instances, which can lower your Amazon EC2 costs significantly. Dedicated hosts. Pay for a physical host that is fully dedicated to running your instances, and bring your existing per socket, per core, or per VM software licenses to reduce costs. Dedicated instances. Pay by the hour for instances that run on single-tenant hardware. Each type of instances is further divided into the different class based on resource allocation like nano, micro, small, medium, large and extra large. Hope you have enjoyed this video. To get more content like this, please subscribe to CloudAffaire and follow us on social with links in the description.